best free VPN application out there today, and we'll be taking a look at it and make sure you guys understand how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Watch the home screen of the VPN application, and over here you pretty much see the apps filtering feature, which is apps proxy. You can select which application if you don't want to get the VPN connection. You have the feedback option there. You have like us, whatever the case. Nothing much for that. So up at the home screen here, you have the top, you have the server section. You can pretty much tap on the server section. You can see all the servers that are available. Quite a lot of servers, guys. So before you connect to any server at all, make sure you tap on the refresh button here. It will refresh to the best server. Will update all servers and see which one is working and which one is not. By just looking at the signal bar, you determine which server is working the best. But if you want it to select the best server for you, all you gotta do is tap on the smart option over here, and it will connect to the best working server for you. Once it asks for connection request, just tap on OK, and you're pretty much good to go. Down here, you will need connection time. I think you get 15 minutes to free connection time. However, to add time, you pretty much will need to watch an ad. So you get 90 minutes here, plus the 50 minutes you're already getting. And if you want more time, you pretty much have to watch an ad, which pretty much lasts 30 seconds, sometimes 15 seconds. Nothing much. So once you're connected, you're pretty much good to go. All you got to do, sometimes you gotta add a minute by watching ads to stay connected. So that's all that is required of the VPN, but otherwise the connection is very, very great, very, very fast. So I recommend any one of these servers. And as I said before, you can always select Smart Connect for it to connect the best server. So let's say you want the best server within the United States. You just select the smart option here for United States. Same thing for Canada. So that's really pretty much it. So if I miss anything at all, and at the top here, you may see an icon here, a map icon. Just tap on it and it will give you the option to select request server that you'd like to add it to this VPN here. So that's pretty much it for that there. So otherwise, it's a very, very good VPN. Let's say I've connected now and you're having connection problems. You can always tap on this fix option here with the tool icon. Once you tap on that, it will fix any connection problems, will disconnect and reconnect the VPN for you. But otherwise, it's good. So that's really pretty much it for this. And if I miss anything at all, comment below. I'd love to help you guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. You know, switch bell. And I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.